Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. C'est Magali de Daily French Lesson. Today I am gonna talk about 3 apps that are free that you absolutely need to use if you are learning French on your own. The first app I want to talk about is Reverso. This is a translation app that you can use to translate words, sentences, or even texts. But what I like about it, I know there are a lot of apps that can do this, but what I like about this is, first of all, it's free, but it's a really good app that can translate depending on the context. I know that a lot of you use Google Translation, but I find Reverso to be more accurate, depending on what you are translating and what the context is. This app is free, it's available on desktop, but it's also available on your phone. You can check out this video if you want to know how to use Reverso to improve your pronunciation in French and also to expand your vocabulary. What is your favorite free app to learn French right now? Tell me in the comments. The second app that I want to talk about is Verb Squirt. I know, the name is weird, but it's a very good app. It's free. If you want to improve your conjugation, if you struggle with the different tenses in French, which can be understandable, you definitely need to check out this app. It will help you to learn a specific verb and to conjugate it with different tenses. You can also play games kind of with different verbs, different tenses, if you need help to memorize them. Because I know in French, there are too many tenses, too many verbs, so that's a great way to kind of play with it on the app before you go to bed or in the morning, and it's a good way to just see it, memorize it, and try to use it in a sentence. It's available on Android and on iOS. The last app I want to talk about is Say Hi Translation. It's also a translation app, and I think it was created by Amazon. I think this is a very good app to use if you want to practice your pronunciation. If you have no one to talk to in French, or if you just want to practice what you learned or what you know, I suggest to use this app. Once you learn new words or new sentences, you can record your voice saying something. You can see if you got the grammar and the structure right, and if the app translated it properly. This is a really good way to practice on your own, on your free time, and to improve, even if you don't have the opportunity to speak with someone else. I think the app is only available on your phone, but you can always check it out. Maybe they have a desktop version. I'm gonna show you the way that I use this Say Hi app to practice pronunciation on my own.
Est-ce que je peux te parler?
Can I talk to you?
Je suis en retard.
I'm late.
Pourquoi tu dis ça?
Why do you say that?
Tell me what you need to improve the most and what do you do to improve that. And if you are learning on your own or with a teacher, a course, tell me everything in the comments. I hope this video is going to help you, and please feel free to ask any questions. If there is anything I can help with, I will respond to you as soon as I can. Bye!